Hey everyone, how are you doing? This is Helton's Computer Repair here with another quick tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to install LibreOffice. Now, LibreOffice is pretty much like an alternative option from Microsoft Office, and it's used for a free version that you won't have to pay at all. Now, you can get Office for free by paying, by going to pretty much colleges or high schools, and they probably cover it for you. And if not, you can pay for the subscription through there for pretty much monthly or yearly within pretty much $10 or within like $100 for that year, or depending, you could probably buy a pro version that's depending around maybe like $300 around that range. But if you don't want that and you don't have the money to spend that currently, well then LibreOffice is an awesome substitution for you. So let's go ahead and jump right into this tutorial on how to install it. Let's get started. So the first thing you do is pretty much go ahead and open up a browser. I'm going to go ahead and open up Google Chrome. And on the search bar, I'm going to type in LibreOffice.org. And from that point, and I actually mistyped that, it's Libre with an E, L-I-B-R-E, office.org. It's a very type on there. Press enter. And then here's the file. And what you're going to choose, press download now. Now, depending on your different stuff, they have the options like pretty much for Macs and other features like there, probably on Linux too. But I'm going to choose regular download LibreOffice, and it should download the file for Windows that we need. There's different versions that are currently there, a couple of them. I'm going to choose, you see, here's the Linux, Mac, or Windows. I'm going to choose Windows because my system is currently a 64-bit operating system. If yours is a 32, then you might need to choose that one. But for this, I'm going to go ahead and press download on the Windows 64-bit on the current version for it. And it tells us right here, the download should start coming up shortly. If it doesn't, you might need to click it. And it seems it already came, so let it do its work from downloading. So the file has been downloaded. I'm going to go ahead and click it to open up the file. And I'll probably be prompted for this to come up. Well, it seems it didn't prompt me. So I'm going to go ahead and just close the browser because I don't need it anymore. And let's proceed going on the installation. Right here it says welcome to the installation wizard for LibreOffice 6.4.1.2. Depending on the time, it might be changed to a newer version, but this is the current one that I'm telling you on this tutorial right now. From that point, just go ahead and press next. There's an options by typical and custom if you want to choose which ones you want to be there. I'm going to leave it as default on typical. Press next. Tells if you want to create a shortcut on the desktop. And if you want LibreOffice during the system startup, I'm going to go ahead and leave that off because I don't want that to pop up on there. And just press install. And let it do its work right now. Here it is. You'll probably be prompted right here. Go ahead and press yes for the installation to work. And let it do its work right now. And here we have it. LibreOffice has been installed, and since the installation wizard is completed. Let's go ahead and press the finish button. And let's go ahead and open up LibreOffice. Here's the program loading up. And I'm going to go ahead and expand this for you. And here's a few features right here. Here's the writer right here. That pretty much would be similar like Word. This is the calculation, I think is what it is for spreadsheets. That's pretty much like Excel. There's Impress presentation. That's pretty much like PowerPoint. Now there's draw features right there. And math formulas that are probably related that we use also on Office. I can't remember the specific names that are there. And here's database that's pretty much used for access. Drawing I think is related to I think publisher, and math formula I'm not really sure which one that would be related. But here we have the programs. I'm going to go ahead and choose one like the writer document. And here it is opened up. It's telling you, did you know? You can actually uncheck this if you don't want that to show up by doing this. And then you can just press OK. And it tells us you're currently running the current version for the first time. So you can just X this out. And here you have it. You can go ahead and start typing your form that you want. Now there may be features right here if you're going to save the format. So when you do save it, press Save As. And you see, the problem is that lots of times I like to save this as an ODT file. And depending on Office, I'm not sure if it will be done correctly. By this, you'll be able to be read on pretty much Office. Or if not, the professor may not be able to do this if you're going to score something like this. So when you do save the files, just be sure that you're saving them on the correct format. So pretty much like on a Word for Microsoft, it'll pretty much be a docx right here for Word, depending on different versions that you have right here. So we're going to be using like the one for Microsoft on Excel. Be sure you choose Excel, that will be there. So let me go ahead and show you another one just for another example. I'm going to go ahead and open up LibreOffice again. And I'm going to choose the calculation spreadsheets right here. This really looks like Excel. And for this, again, press Save As. And choose what you're going to be done right here. So it'll be Excel 2007 up to 365 on the current systems. Be sure you choose it and save the file. And that's pretty much it. For the rest, you should be good on the system. If you have any other questions or tutorials, just let me know, and I'll see how everything goes good for you. Thanks for watching from Helton's Computer Repair, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, guys. If you just like this video, then hit that button. But if you like it and you want to see more, hit that like button, get subscribed, comment, and tell us what other tech videos you want to see. Consider checking out our merch store, link in the video description. And for the rest, I will see you on the next video.